Okay, so first of all, we'll start with your show. Of course, when the promos came out, when people heard the storyline, everyone thought that it's going to be a good show. But as an actor, what were your thoughts when you signed the show, and will it reach the popularity which it has gained right now?
Initially, I was excited, obviously, because it was a new show, new character. And, even if, my story can be related to Anokhi's, but the nature is completely different. I'm very jovial. I'm very, fun-loving kind of a girl. And Anokhi is very reserved and nice, kind of a decent kind of a person. So I had to work on Anokhi a lot to, so that people could connect with Anokhi's character. I didn't want it to be Deva's character somehow. So I really had to work with it. And finally, when, I could see some changes, as in, I got the love from people. It actually motivates a person to do better each day. So I'm really thankful to all the Shakians and everyone who loves us.
So, of course, we have heard a lot of your interviews, and although your story and Anukhi's story is not typically same, but it is, down the line somewhere same, the struggles which you had. So, tell me from that till now, how do you feel if you recollect about your journey? How has it been?
Oh, it's, when you see this 555 things, you feel like things have actually started changing in your life. And, you're just so glad all of a sudden, because all your struggles, flashback mein aati hai wo sari cheezein, everything, you just start recalling and everything. And somehow you're just glad about everything. So, it's been too much pressure on me, and it is obviously for any actor, who wants to make a mark on this industry and who wants to do good. I have been trying my best all the time, and I have been trying to improve every day, so that being an actor, as an actor, I can give more to people with what I have in me. So that is what I wanted, and I still have to do a lot. Go ahead, make a lot of things, do a lot of things basically. But abhi jahan par hu, I'm really glad and thankful. And somehow I believe that all my struggle is coming to fruition. How I don't know, how I can explain this thing, if you get it.
Yeah, of course.
It's really...
Right. Okay, looking back to your journey, of course, you stated, that your mother has always been the biggest supporter. There were people, who criticized your decision. And I believe a lot of people, are living the journey which you lived. Okay. They had a similar past. Okay. So tell me, in this whole journey, what is that one thing which kept motivating you? And whenever there were people who criticized you, how did you manage to stay calm and focused on your goal?
It was not easy, especially for a girl, as a girl. Personally, if someone demotivates me, I can't give my best. Right. But if someone motivates me a little, I'll try to do more, So किसी का ऐसा होता है कि कोई अगर आपको demotivate करे, तो वो और ज्यादा बेहतर करने की कोशिश करता है
जी.
पर मेरा ऐसा नहीं है. मेरा ऐसा है कि अगर थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन मिल जाए, I'm like कि yes, I am gonna show. My mom has been so supportive. She was the first one to support me, and then my father and my sister also came along, and my younger sister is such a sweetheart. She is sacrificing, compromising, and she never stopped mom in helping me out. If she stays, she knows mom stays with me. She's a sweetheart. I am glad and blessed that I have such kind of a supportive family, my mom especially. And initially my father didn't believe, and the thing कि वो trophies जीत के जैसे अनोखी दिखाती थी अपने पापा को, I used to do the same thing कि Papa just allow me and I can do good, and Papa just allow me to do good. And there were certain things, and so I wanted to do so great in my life, and also the motivation which kept me going. There were days when I used to cry, and obviously कोई भी जो अपने जिंदगी में struggles देखता है, my mom always used to say कि if you're having a lot of struggle in your life, that means you're going to do something great someday. Just believe in the process, somehow. Just believe in yourself. So even if I cried for 1 week and then kab tak, you have to get up again. You never have to lose hope. I lost hope, but then again I got up by myself. You can say staying alone in Mumbai, it was so tough. I had to motivate myself. I used to go, samundar kinare jaake बैठी रहती थी, just to calm my mind, कि okay, manifest good things and it's gonna come to you. So, and also I never tried to stop. And थोड़ा सा अगर आप कुछ करो and वो ज्यादा hype हो ना, और लोगों का प्यार दिखे आपको, तो वो ज्यादा मोटिवेट करता है आपको. And there were certain days with Anokhi that I felt कि I could have done this scene better, and Anokhi could do it better. But ultimately, when I see people loving me as Anokhi, that motivates me, and I'm so glad. I'm so thankful, to be very frank. That's the biggest thing one can achieve. I just go through my expression. You can understand it.
Yeah. Okay. And what do you now want to say to those people, who criticized you or who tried to pull you back? Since, being a leading lady of a #1 channel show, it's not a piece of cakewalk. It's still a dream for a lot of people. So what do you want to say to them right now?
I don't have anything to say to them anymore. They have their answers, and, I don't want to mention anything. My mom always said, तो कुछ बोल ही मत, तो अपना काम करके दिखा. So this is an example, to be very frank. To be one more thing, I never expected. I'm really glad. I'm really happy. I love Star Plus. I love my producer ma'am for taking me in, and giving me this opportunity. I mean, I have been loving this channel since I was a kid, okay? And if I am working in this channel, such a big channel, I want to give my best, because I feel I'm living my dreams right now. So whatever I manifested, I somehow got it, and my willpower got me here where I am right now, and I'm really glad about it, and I feel like giving my best all the time, and that's it.
Okay. Also, talking about, giving your best, I have, seen some episodes of your show. And one thing, I'm not saying because I am, taking this interview, but I really believe whenever you and Karan scenes, they are very natural. Like we all know that Daily Soap has this one kind of acting, but fortunately for the first time I feel it's very natural. So is this something which you people decided, or you both people are that as an actors?
See, both people are that as in we become Shaurya and Anokhi while we shoot. And also, like, about this natural thing, I always went for this natural thing. Typical, how can I explain this? अपने आप आ जाते, because I have not been trained into this acting field. Like, I have started acting at a very young age. I didn't go to कहीं पे classes नहीं लिए थे. So जो भी आते हैं ना अपने आप naturally understand. मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि if I don't feel that scene, मैं बोलती हूँ सर just one more time, I didn't feel it, I want to feel it. So वही बोल रही थी कि if I think कि नहीं हुआ मुझसे, I mean I'll cry and I'll just emote it, try to emote it, and फिर भी नहीं हुआ ना, sorry sir, just one more time, because I want to feel that scene while I do it. And when you feel that scene and you do it, अपने आप natural निकल जाता है. You don't have to act at all. वो natural होती है आपकी, and then you switch into Anokhi and switch into Deva the next time. That's different, but you don't have to act that time. It comes out naturally somehow. Yeah. Thank you, but
again, how's it working with Karan? Because as you clearly, the show is Shaurya and Anokhi Ki Prem Kahani. A lot of scenes are of you both people. So tell me, how has it been working with Karan? So far.
It's very fun. It's so much fun because we keep cracking jokes all the time. If beach mein, when we are into the scene, we are too much involved in the scene, and after the scene, we are like ha ha ha. It's fun, because you definitely need to have a good bond with your co-actor, and we definitely have one. I can say, there's a good friendly bond, and it's very necessary. And yeah, it's fun working with him because he's very funny, and even I like to crack lame jokes to be very frank. But it's fun overall, yeah.
So, okay, talking about your scenes, what has been your most challenging, scene with Karan, or one scene which people really enjoyed?
So there's this scene which I really enjoyed, and rehearsal की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. It was a
जी.
big scene and we didn't have the time. The next day we had to shift to some other place because COVID वाला thing going on. And हम बहुत जल्दबाजी में थे. होता है ना, sometimes you're not prepared with the scene anyhow, but अपने आप अच्छा निकल जाता है. And there was this scene जहाँ पे Shaurya says, "I love you, you stupid girl," and I keep rejecting the fact कि no. He didn't rehearse it through the table and this, that, and बोले जा रहे. Cut, we both were crying. And after the shot, I was like, yes, I felt good after this scene because I felt that this scene was good. And I started jumping. I was like, oh, आज मन भर गया. बहुत अच्छा scene किया. Even I went home, I told mom, I really loved I really enjoyed doing this scene. So yes, I enjoyed. And challenging तो काफी सारे थे, to be very frank. Yeah, because आप जब shoot करते हो बहुत सारे ऐसे dangerous scenes होते हैं जो आपको लगता है आप नहीं कर पाओगे, but ultimately हो जाते हैं. So yeah.
Right. And how
this is one of the
yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah. And this is just one of the scenes that I enjoyed. So many other scenes that I have actually enjoyed while, recent wala jo yaad tha, I just told you. And also I loved Holi scenes, because I was actually having fun. If you have seen Holi episodes where, Holi Rang Rang Uda Rahe, we all were dancing. We actually were enjoying, like everyone, we all were laughing. So yeah, I really enjoyed.
Right. Okay. We all know that you people are, are very good friends with each other. We have seen your off-screen masti. But how is your relationship as an actor? Like, what is the give and take? And a lot of actors improvise together. So, what is the give and take as an actor of you both?
वो बहुत improv करता है. So शुरुआत में problems हो रही थी थोड़ी बहुत because जहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, sometimes when you improvise the next topic should be same, तो उसका अक्सर topic ही बदल जाता था. And then I was like, okay, how do I manage this improv? So this was a scenario, but right now we manage things in a very beautiful way. शुरुआत में initially obviously because you don't know how he'd revert you as an actor, but right now we are coping with each other, nicely, you can say, very nicely. We don't have any more problems, like हो जाती है scenes जल्दी and अच्छे से.
जी. Okay, and last, there were rumors about the show going off, and of course it has all been cleared out. Okay, by the team. Yeah, by your producer only. But did you hear the show, and what was your reaction? Because if a good show is going off air, and that is it's a very big shock. So what was your reaction if you heard that news?
I went crazy. I was shocked. I was sad. I was demotivated. I was like, what are we doing? And I started calling. He was like, hey, do you know anything about it? Okay, I heard from that person. Like, what is it going on? Like, I was so curious at the time because I didn't know. I mean, like, people were talking about it. I'm like, why do I not know about this? I not know about my own serial and then other people talking about it. I mean, kya ho raha hai? So obviously I was very sad, but yeah, I mean, nahi khatam hona chahiye. I mean, are doing our best to, keep all the people entertained, the Shakis, the love that I'm getting from people. I'm like shocked कि इतना प्यार मिल रहा है फिर भी कैसे possible? Obviously, you have this question in your mind. But yeah, let's see what happens because, you never know. But, the entire process is really amazing and I've got a lot of things to learn from this, time.
Anything which you want to say, before we wind up the interview?
Before winding up this interview, I just like to say thank you. I mean, genuinely, dil se thank you. I mean, I absolutely love to have this conversation with you. And apart from that, I just want to give all the love that is coming towards me as well. Just I don't know कि कैसे लोगों को समझा. I mean, I get DMs, I get emails from people, and I'm really very thankful that you are loving us so much, loving the show. Keep supporting us like this. Keep watching us. Keep loving us. That is what motivates us. This is what I say all the time, and I'll keep saying this to the end. And this is what I've got to say. Just thank you, and I love you guys so much. I love you.
Thank you so much, and all the best for this show and for all the future projects which you are ever going to have. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.
Yeah, take care. Bye.
Hi, this is Parth Santan and you're watching Glitz Vision. So please subscribe to Glitz Vision. Thank you.